What if I told you that there's a completely free TradingView indicator that could rival or even outperform some of the most expensive and premium indicators out there? From the classic RSI to cutting-edge AI-powered indicators that claim to predict the market with pinpoint accuracy, traders are always searching for an edge in the market. So, in this video, I will introduce you to a powerful free trading indicator that stands above the rest. I will break down its accuracy, ease of use, and most importantly, whether it can actually help you make money. And trust me, the results might just shock you. So, if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. Now to get started with this indicator, you have to go to TradingView and then open any trading instrument that you like, in any time frame. For this video, I'm going to be using the 15-minute time frame of the US dollar with the Canadian dollar currency pair. Next, you are going to click on this Indicators tab here and type in the Adaptive Trend Flow Indicator. And you want to select this one that was created by this guy, the Quant Algo. And then you can see that the indicator will be added to the chart. So the Adaptive Trend Flow Indicator by Quant Algo is completely free to use on TradingView. This indicator is packed with high-tech features that even some paid indicators can't match at its heart. The Adaptive Trend Flow uses two exponential moving averages, one fast and one slow. The fast EMA reacts quickly to price changes, helping traders to identify short-term movements. The slow EMA moves at a steadier pace, filtering out noise and confirming bigger trends. When the fast EMA crosses above the slow EMA, it suggests a bullish trend, and when it crosses below it, this signals a bearish trend. So simple, right? Now here's where things get more advanced. Most indicators treat all market conditions the same, but the Adaptive Trend Flow adjusts to volatility. It uses volatility-adjusted bands to make sure signals are more reliable. Wide bands equal higher volatility. When markets are chaotic, the indicator expands to avoid false signals. Narrow bands equal low volatility. When the market is calm, the bands contract, keeping traders focused on real breakouts. These bands act as dynamic support and resistance levels, giving traders a clear structure for decision-making. Another unique feature is its color-coded gradient background, which helps traders instantly see trend strengths and duration. Bright, intense colors equal strong trends with conviction, and fading colors equals a weakening trend and possible reversal ahead. This is a game changer because instead of waiting for multiple confirmations, traders can visually gauge trend confidence at a glance. This indicator also provides direct trade signals. L, which stands for a long position, appears when price action confirms a bullish reversal. S, which stands for a short position, appears when the price action confirms a bearish reversal. Users can also set alerts for trend changes so they never miss an opportunity. So, the Adaptive Trend Flow is more than just a moving average. It's an advanced adaptive system that reacts to market conditions in real time, and the best part is it's free. Now when you go to the setting of the indicator and here on the input section, we have these three settings under this trend setting. The first one, which is this main length. This is the length of the trend calculation period. Higher value creates smoother signals, so we are going to change it to 20. The smoothing length helps traders to fine-tune volatility calculations for signal stability. The default setting is 14, but we are going to change it to 25 because higher values reduce noise. Then we have this sensitivity setting. This is the multiplier for volatility bands. We are going to change it to 1.5. Here, under the visualization settings, you are going to uncheck these color bars and the background color, and then you will click OK. So here's how to use this indicator to trade. For a bullish trading opportunity, first, this band must change to green, and this signal line, which is the fast EMA, must cross above the slow EMA, and also change to green. And you should have bullish candles that suggest a change in market structure. And finally, you will wait for the indicator to print a buy signal. Then, because of all these traits, you could have grabbed the long position tool and entered a long position right at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just below this band, and extended your profit target to this level, giving you a valid risk-to-reward ratio. For a bearish trading opportunities, the opposite happens. This band must change to red, and this signal line, which is the fast EMA, must cross below the slow EMA, and also change to red, and just like the bullish setup, you should have bearish candles that suggest a change in market structure to the downside. And finally, you will wait for the indicator to print a sell signal. Then, because of all these elements, you could have grabbed the short position tool and entered a short position right at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just above this band, and extended your profit target to this level, also giving you a valid risk-to-reward ratio. Here is another example. This is the 30-minute time frame of the Swiss franc with the Japanese yen currency pair. Here the market was in a downtrend, and you can see that the adaptive trend flow band was red here, but when the fast EMA crossed above the slow EMA, the EMA changed from red to green, meaning more buyers are entering the market. Then the indicator later printed a buy signal like this, and because of that, you could have grabbed the long position tool and entered a long position right at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just below this band, and extended your profit target to this level, giving you a valid risk-to-reward ratio. So Quantalgo's adaptive trend flow is a technical tool that aids trend-following strategies across various market environments and asset classes. It uses dual EMA analysis and volatility-adjusted bands to identify significant trend changes, filtering out market noise. The tool's adaptability, customizable EMA lengths, volatility smoothing, and sensitivity settings make it suitable for different trading timeframes and styles. Please, you all should go ahead and join my free Telegram channel because we will be going hard on Forex trading, and if you want to be part of my community, just join this Telegram channel. Again, I have created a premium VIP signal channel where I will be sending high-quality trading signals. So if you want to join the VIP channel, just send me a DM on Telegram. By the way, don't forget to click here and create an account with this Forex broker, because they are currently one of the best Forex brokers in the Forex and synthetic industry. Now, if you know another trader that might benefit from this video, please share it out with them, and let us know in the comment section below the concepts you would like to see covered in the next video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload a new video.